Dear student, next topic we will take exponents of real numbers. Here we have some examples related to the exponent of real numbers, that is under root 25 की power 7 and the whole with under root 6, and here 28 on the cube root and under root 10 की power minus 1/3 in the cube root and whole power 6. Now we will solve this question. 25 की power 7 and this is in the under root. We can write 1/6 in the multiplication, because the law of exponent we have a की power m, the whole power n is a की power m into n. Here we have 128 की power 1/3 and 10 की power minus 1/3 की whole power 6 and again the power 1/3 we have here. Now in this question we can see that 128 if we take in the form of factors, prime factors, so this is the 2 की power 7 we have here. So 25 we can write 5 का square power 7 upon 6 multiply by 2 की power 7 and 1/3 upon we can write 10 minus 1/3 into 6 into 1/3. 3 2 ja 6 we have, 2 3 ja 6 we have, so 5 की power 7/3, 2 की power 7/3 upon 10 की power minus 2/3. Now we can write 5 की power 7/3 and 2 की power 7/3. We can write 5 multiply by 2 की whole power 7/3 upon 10 की power minus 2/3. When we solve the numerator, 5 2 ja 10 की power 7/3. Now in the denominator we have 10 raised to the power minus 2/3. If we take this 10 raised to the power 2/3 in the numerator, the power will be changed, and 10 raised to the power 2/3, the negative will be changed in the positive. Here 10 की power 7/3 and 10 की power 2/3 both are in the multiplication, so power will be added here. 10 की power 7/3 plus 2/3, 10 की power 9/3, 3 3 ja 9, 10 raised to the power 3, or we can write 10 raised to the power 3, that is 1000. The another one question we have x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power b whole power c, same this and this. So we will solve this question. We can write it x raised to the power a minus b, because if we have a की power m and a की power n, we can write this a की power m minus n, because both are with the same base but in the divide, whole power c. Similarly x की power b minus c and the whole power is a, and x की power c minus a and the whole power is b. Now we will multiply the power by the power in a minus b. X की power ac minus bc, x की power ba minus ca, x की power cb minus ab. So base we have same and all the terms are in the multiplication, so all the powers will be added. So x की power ac minus bc plus ba minus ca plus cb minus ab. So ab cut with ba, cb cut with bc and ac cut with minus का ca. So x raised to the power 0 we have here, and if the power of any variable or any term is equal to 0, it will be equal to 1. So the power of, so x की power 0 we have here is equal to 1. The next question we have, if 2 raised to the power x is equal to 6 raised to the power y is equal to 18 raised to the power z, then prove that 2 upon y is equals to 1 upon x plus 1 upon z. Now these three values are equal to one another, so we can let 2 raised to the power x is equals to 6 raised to the power y is equals to 18 raised to the power z is equal to k. Now we will take individually. 2 raised to the power x is equals to k, so 2 is equals to k की power 1 upon x. Again, if 6 raised to the power y is equals to k, then 6 is equals to k की power 1 upon y. Similarly, if 18 raised to the power z is equals to k, so 18 is equal to k की power 1 upon z. Now we will take the relationship between 2, 16 and 18 should be equal. We can take 18 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 का square, because of 18 multiplied by 2 is equal to 36 and 6 का square is also 36. So put the value of 18, 2 and 6 from here. The value of 18 is k की power 1 upon z multiplied by the value of 2 is k raised to the power 1 upon x, and the value of 6 we have k raised to the power 1 upon y. So 6 का square we have here, so we will put square outside of the bracket. So both having the same base, and in the multiplication the power will be at 1 upon z plus 1 upon x is equals to k. This 2 will be multiplied with 1 upon y, that is 2 upon y. Now again k and k base is the same, so power should be also same. So 1 upon z plus 1 upon x is equals to 2 upon y. Hence proved.